Plants have a secret superpower. They can create their own energy from sunlight. But did you know this process could make or break your garden? What if I told you the sweetness of your tomatoes depends on it? Today, we'll uncover how understanding carbohydrates can transform your garden into a powerhouse of growth and flavor. All right, let's break it down. Carbohydrates aren't just that thing you feel guilty about after devouring a pizza. They're actually the MVPs of your garden. These little molecules made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, fancy talk for plant fuel, are the product of photosynthesis, aka plants' way of turning sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide into glucose, the ultimate power snack. Glucose then goes on to form starches and cellulose, keeping your plants strong, sweet, and thriving. Think of it as the botanical equivalent of meal prepping. Plants use some carbs right away to grow, bloom, and bear fruit, while the rest get tucked away in roots and seeds for when things get rough, like a drought or a pest invasion. Speaking of pests, did you know some freeloading bugs literally suck the sugar out of plants? It's like nature's version of your annoying coworker stealing your lunch from the office fridge. But plants aren't just hoarding all the carbs for themselves. They share the goods through their roots, attracting helpful microbes in the soil that return the favor by delivering key nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. So how do you make sure your plants are swimming in carbs and not, well, starving? First, let them catch some serious rays. Photosynthesis doesn't happen in the shade, folks. Second, keep them hydrated, but don't overdo it. Soggy roots are sad roots. And of course, soil health is crucial. Plants need their nutrient cocktail: nitrogen for lush greens, phosphorus for energy transfers, and potassium for moving sugars around. Master this balance and you'll be rewarded with the sweetest, juiciest fruits and veggies that put store-bought produce to shame. Why? Because while grocery tomatoes prioritize not bruising in a truck, your homegrown ones are busy packing flavor thanks to all those extra carbs. But let's be real, sometimes things go south. Not enough carbs? You'll notice weak stems, sad little fruits, or plants that look like they're auditioning for a zombie movie. Blame it on pests, nutrient deficiencies, or cloudy days ruining the sunlight party. Perennials, for instance, rely on carb storage to survive the off-season, so don't forget to prune, mulch, and give them some love before they hibernate for winter. And if your weather refuses to cooperate, get clever reflective mulches, low-light tolerant plants, or even just a good old-fashioned pep talk can make a difference. Carbohydrates are the unsung heroes of your garden, fueling growth, fostering flavor, and even keeping the soil alive with microscopic partnerships. So next time you bite into a perfectly sweet strawberry from your garden, give a nod to the sunlight, the soil, and those hard-working carbs doing all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. I'll leave you to discuss in the comments. What's your secret weapon for growing the sweetest produce? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, and I'll catch you soon in another video.